Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In the world of programming, understanding and working with complex Python code is a common task. Whether you're collaborating with team members, exploring open source projects, or trying to integrate existing code into your project, copying and pasting code snippets is a frequent activity. However, doing this without a clear understanding of the code can lead to errors and confusion. In this tutorial, we'll explore some best practices for copying and pasting complex Python code. Understand the code. Prepare your environment. Copy and paste safely. Test the code. Integrate into your project. Document your changes. Final thoughts. Before copying any code, take the time to read and understand it thoroughly. Identify the purpose of each function or class, and understand the flow of the code. Check for any external dependencies that the code relies on. Make sure to install them later to avoid compatibility issues. Create a virtual environment for your project to maintain a clean and isolated environment. Activate the virtual environment. Install the required dependencies using a package manager like pip. Copy entire functions or classes, not just snippets. This helps ensure that all necessary dependencies and related code are included. Python relies on indentation for code structure. Ensure that you maintain proper indentation levels when copying and pasting. Ensure that the code is compatible with your Python version. Check for any version-specific syntax or library usage. Respect the licensing terms of the code you are copying. Ensure that your use complies with the license provided by the original author. Write unit tests to verify the functionality of the copied code. This ensures that the code behaves as expected in your environment. Execute the unit tests to confirm that the copied code integrates well with your project. Adjust the code to fit the structure of your project. Rename functions or classes if necessary to maintain consistency. If the copied code doesn't align perfectly with your requirements, consider refactoring it to better suit your needs. Document any modifications you make to the code. Add comments to explain your changes and provide context for future developers. If the copied code is part of a larger system, update your project's documentation to reflect the newly integrated code. Copying and pasting code can be a powerful way to leverage existing solutions. However, it's crucial to approach this process with care, ensuring a deep understanding of the code and following best practices for integration. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can confidently incorporate complex Python code into your projects while minimizing the risk of errors and maintaining code quality. ChatGPT